Atu coming in high, looking for the big clothesline.
Ducks it, quick as a flash.
Forearm right to the chest. She sends him to the ropes. Oh, drop toe hold. The old man just ate the canvas. She's not done
You
yet.
have got to be kidding me.
She's climbing the cage.
This crowd on their feet.
Oh, look at that. Gliding backward in perfect
He's
sync.
in a singlet and a kind pelikat. She's in a flowing baju kurung. And yet the edges are textbook.
Overhead lift so steady for a man in his
Beautiful
late
control
60s.
on the exit. Now watch this throw, Sal Chow.
Bagi balik kuih seribu muka tu.
Nanti Atok belanja, sabar.
Jangan ingat lutut nenek karat.
Lompat becak pun lepas, mantap.
Tunggulah, dapat juga nenek cubit telinga tu.
Aku dah tua. Aku cuma nak lepak kat warung kampung seharian. Tiap-tiap hari minum kopi, main dam haji. Tapi nenek asyik marah. Apa salah Atok lepak sikit?
Wait a minute. You shouldn't have mentioned the Warrior. He's unleashing years. Dropping in. Look at the speed he's carrying. Eyes locked, weight low. Here comes the pop. Big launch. Oh, he's going for it. 1, 2, 3. Full rotations. The Kane Pelican just orbiting with a picture-perfect form.
Ni. Aku tengok asyik mesuarat je. Tapi jalan kampung penuh lubang. Tayar Atok pun hampir tercabut.
Kampung gelap suram. Tak berias. Tak curiga. This is just picked up. The Elder is snapped.
This is a
Okeylah Jemaah, aku gerak dululah. Gosip dengan kau ni sampai tahun depan tak habis. Mak Ai. Gila nah.
What's up, Atok Nenek? Sudikah beli coklat saya jual ni?
Bagi yang tak coklat lah, cu. Nenek suka hitam manis ni. Macam laki nenek.
Dalam kes lembu yang berkeliaran di jalan kampung, hasil ujian DNA mengatakan, Atok, anda bukan pemilik.
Ya Allah! Bukan aku! Bukan aku!
Nenek suruh beli gula. Tapi yang Atok beli tadi tu garam.
Atok tersilap. Mata Atok ni dah tak berapa nak
Jangan
nampak.
komplain minum kopi masin petang karang.
Satu air oren ya, Oyen. Ni mak ya, RM2.50. Thank you. Pandai betul. Sadat macam biasa ya. Cepatlah sikit.
Packed. Atok, the veteran, chalking up for what could be the winning flick. Needs the black, plays it, and it's down. Scores a level on set point. Now the Queen, the cover. This is the match right here. Still as a statue. Look at that stance. He strikes. Queen goes. Cover coin following. Yes, he's done it. Atok pulls it off.
Wah, padu
Jangan lupa untuk like dan follow.
Malaysia, quick pickup from the veteran. Hand speed, still electric at 62 years old.
She's controlling tempo, building small captures, keeping her last house protected.
England down by 2. Ward must steal here. She leaves a single. Nenek sees it. Final sweep.
Yes!
That seals it.
The briefcase thing. Harda Pusaka swings above the battlefield, and 6 lives are colliding.
Oh, that a shot to the ribs. People are being smashed left and right.
Bodies everywhere, but look at it. White shirt, loose and tie. He's climbing. He pulled it down.
Demons on the
What
cloud.
a moment.
Tak rasa lah awak pijak.
Oh, tak rasa ya? Rasa tak?
Rasa.
Oh, lah belah. Hakam ni lah. Manjur.
masih bertahan tuan-tuan. Pegangan tangan kiri melekat macam gam, tangan kanan tinggi macam juara rodeo.
Bismillah.
Pating gergasi berpusing. Lihat percikan.
Tak ada siapa memilih untuk jadi wira. Kadang-kadang kuasa datang bersama kehilangan.
Ready.
Siapa kata aku akan menang?
Pertama, susun kayu api. Biar rapat dan jangan kedekut. Nyalakan. Kita mahu api kuat tapi jinak. Letak periuk, masukkan air secukupnya. Tip penting, jangan gelojoh. Tunggu air betul-betul mendidih, buih besar berbunyi garam.
Hari ni, Atuk nak buat kopi buntut kuali. Sedap. Wih!
Hari ni nenek nak ajar mekak ringkas. Cantik kan?